How do you say bless you in Spanish? The phrase bless you in Spanish is salud, salud. For example, achoo, salud, achoo, salud, achoo, bless you. Estornudó 3 veces y todos dijeron salud. Estornudó 3 veces y todos dijeron salud. He sneezed 3 times and everyone said bless you. In Spain and Latin America, there's a cute little custom. On the first sneeze, people tend to say salud, which means health. On the second sneeze, people tend to say dinero, which means money. And on the third sneeze, people say amor, which means love. It's a fun way to wish somebody health, wealth, and love when they sneeze. Cuando estornudé, mi amigo dijo salud. Cuando estornudé, mi amigo dijo salud. When I sneezed, my friend said bless you. Salud. ¿Estás resfriado? Salud. ¿Estás resfriado? Bless you. Do you have a cold? Alguien gritó salud desde la otra sala. Alguien gritó salud desde la otra sala. Someone shouted bless you from the other room. So if you want to say bless you in Spanish, you can say salud. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.